So yeah, anyway, this whole video is just about how I fell off, but now I'm back on.
I'm a rock star. Every day I rock hard. I'm a motherfucking rock star. Every day I rock hard. I'm a rock star.
Hi Rockstars, I'm Aly, your RockstarBarGirl, and you will notice that my scenery is very different today. I am in one of the parks near my house. I needed to come out into the park today because I really needed to change my space and change my direction. I've been in a really serious funk these last few days, and I just needed to change up my space so that I could get back on track and get back to making videos. I am wearing my little microphone, and I really hope that it helps. It's really, really windy outside, and even though I am in the serenity of a park, I am still in the Bronx, New York, so there will be motorcycles. Thanks, motorcycle guy. There will be sirens. So anyway, I wanted to update you guys on what's been going on with me with work, with my YouTube channel, with the online course that I'm working on for you guys. I know I always say that I'm not going to go back into a management position and I'm just going to stay bartending, but for some reason it can never seem to work out that way. But I've been the event director for a restaurant in Midtown for the last year, and I was really, really looking forward to the month of June because over that year I had managed to turn my position from a full-time typical 50-hour-a-week position to what essentially was a remote position. And I was really proud of that because I actually put that up on my vision board for the year, that I wanted to make whatever my job was into a work from home job so that I can spend more time making videos and spend time working on my online course. So after a year with the company, I found myself in a position where I was only going into the restaurant 1 or 2 days a week, and I was doing all the rest of my work remotely by email and by phone, and still making enough money to live. And that was really great for me. It was allowing me to catch up on my life again, and in that time, I had the vision of the online course, the RockstarBarGirl Masterclass that I'm working on right now, and I got really pumped up to work on that. So my plan for the month of June was, of course, to keep my job at the restaurant and record the course and just make it the most amazing, most unbelievable, comprehensive, thorough course ever made, everything that I've envisioned. I was so excited to do that. My husband and I decided to go on vacation. We take off from Newark on Monday night, and we land in Germany the next morning. So we had a layover for a few hours in Germany, and I decided to check my email. And surprise, surprise, I have an email telling us that the restaurant had closed. Not that it was closing, but that it had closed. It had already closed. It had closed as of the day before. It's what? You gotta be fucking kidding me. So what I was not planning was for the month of June to be filled with a whole bunch of confusion and anxiety about what I am supposed to do for work. I want to bring you guys the most amazing content. I want to bring you the greatest course ever made. I'm so excited to get the finished product to you guys, and I just want to spend as much time as possible working on that. Getting to the point where I'm working remotely and I'm only having to be in the restaurant 1 or 2 days a week took almost a whole year to get to. And I don't want to start over, basically. So I just got really upset, and I didn't even realize what was happening. But I came home from vacation and I found myself kind of just sitting on the couch for the first few days, and I was applying to jobs and I was getting interviews and I was just not going to them. I was just really bummed out to have my plans kind of turned upside down. But over the last few days, I've been talking to my husband, who's been really helpful. I've been meditating. I've been trying to channel my inner goddess energy. I've been doing tarot and just trying to refocus myself and figure out what my focus should be. Should I go back to bartending? Should I find a management job? Should I not work at all? You know, which thankfully I can kind of do right now. So like, you know, should I just not work at all and just spend all of my time on my videos? You know, I just wasn't sure. But after taking the time to do that inner reflecting, I feel like I'm recentered, refocused, re-energized, and ready to stop like crying about it, basically. So anyway, you know, I'm obviously open to any opportunities, but right now I've just decided that my focus needs to be my channel and my online course. I love all the feedback that I get from you guys telling me how much you like my videos, how much you like my content, and how helpful you find them. And I just want to thank you guys for that so much, because I went back and I was like reading over my comments, just the ones that I've gotten in the last week, and it was so uplifting, and it really remotivated me and helped to remind me like why I'm making these videos. And I just want to keep doing that. So I'm going to take advantage of the fact that I'm blessed and my husband's got a good job, and you know, I don't have to rush back to full-time work, and I can focus on making this course the greatest thing ever. I'm just really excited to bring you guys a lot of new content, both on YouTube and on my website, RockstarBarGirl.com. So please go check out my website if you haven't already and join the mailing list. Thank you guys to all of you who have already enrolled on the RockstarBarGirl.com, and I plan on doing a really big giveaway before I launch the course. So you're going to want to be on the mailing list, because I'm just going to be sending that stuff out to mailing list people, because you guys are dope. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions for me, or if you have any feedback about what you want to see from the Rockstar Bar Girl Masterclass or from Course 1, The Fundamentals Every Bartender Must Know, then leave me a comment down below. Remember to follow me on Instagram at Rockstar_BarGirl, and head on over to the website and join the mailing list, RockstarBarGirl.com, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, Rockstars.
Rockstar.